Hello, what's up guys, my name is Imtiaz and you are watching my YouTube channel Mumtaz Jahan. Today I'm going to show you a website where you can earn thousands of dollars. Yes, this is real and a lot of people are making money from here. You just need to sign up and start earning. You do not need to investment. Zero investment and you can earn thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you the live proof. People are withdrawal by PayPal, BuyMe and other payment gateways. So guys, please watch the complete video, don't miss any step. In this video I'm going to show you 5 steps you can follow and earn money now. So guys, let's get started. Gramfree is a feature to earn free cryptocurrency just like Forsage, Million Money, LionShare and Pomo. But instead of earning Ethereum, you earn Gram, which is a new crypto. Making money on Gramfree is a great, but the best part is that you do not need referrals to withdraw your money, withdraw your earning. Who owns Gramfree? Well, Gramfree is owned by the Telegram, which is the messaging app like WhatsApp. Telegram launched their own cryptocurrency in the market called Gram, which is another crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum and the other out there. How does Gramfree work? First of all, Gramfree is actually free to register and join. You pay nothing to start earning, and that is the major reason it is so popular with over 6 million registered members worldwide. Once you register, you have 5 major ways to earn open for you: free rolls, videos, smart contracts, referrals and lottery. Each of these ways to earn free Gram are all time based. For instance, the free roll is only available 1 per hour, so once you click it, it starts a countdown timer which from 59 minutes down to 0 minutes, at which point the free roll is available again to click. Same with videos, smart contracts, but referrals is different. You can refer as many people as you see fit to free Gramfree and earn a commission of 5 grams from everyone. The goal is to get to level 10, which you would have earned as much as possible, because once you hit 500 grams you can earn, then withdraw, and then grams will be converted to the money and sent to your account. As of this writing, 500 grams is $1,000 and you will achieve that in 2 months if you start today. Imagine earning $1,000 from zero investment with no reference needed to withdraw your net earning. And the next question is how we can register for Gramfree. So you just need to click on the sign up button, and then you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, whatever you want. So I'm going to click continue with Google. After that, you choose your account and then you will redirect to your Gramfree dashboard. Now you can see here I have already created my account, and here you can see the main dashboard of Gramfree. Sidebar you can see that Gramfree dashboard, sport, free deposit, withdrawal, lottery, user level, referrals, videos, smart contracts, packs and logout. So you can log out your account. I'm going to tell you free roll of Telegram and how we can earn from it. So you get about 10 free rolls a day, and for each free rolls on Gramfree you can earn anywhere from 0.1 to 1000 grams from each click daily. In fact, register now and earn about 10 grams, which is $20 on your first free roll today. And the next is number 2 is smart contracts. In smart contract at your level 1 is 0.3 grams, and you can click all 4 open to your daily. All you have to do is click and earn. And the next number 3 is videos. Videos are sent daily to your Groundfree account, and you can watch as many videos as possible, or even create some Groundfree testimonial videos yourself and earn free grams. And the number 5 is referrals, that you can make money by affiliate referrals from Groundfree. You earn from everyone you refer using your referral link, but do not refer more than 5 people a day, because Groundfree will put a temporary lock on your link, which means you will not earn for the other referrals. And the number 5 is to make money from Groundfree is lottery. This is the hardest part, just like any other lottery tickets. So if you are not into lotteries, I would like to say you should stay away from the lottery. It costs 1 gram from your earning to play a lottery, and the winning range from 5,000 grams to 100 grams. But winning is it is next to impossible, so I will advise you do not waste your grams. So guys, once you have accumulated 500 grams, which at the time of writing is $2 per grams, you would have $1,000, and you can then withdraw to your bank account, Pioneer account, Bitcoin, and many more. You can check it in any country in any country in the world. So guys, if you like the Groundfree review video, so please check in the description link and go to Groundfree with my description link and joining Groundfree today. And like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.